everyone, I'm Ali. I am wearing ruqun. Ru means top garment and qun means skirt. Ruqun is one of the earliest and most basic forms of hanfu. There are two types of ruqun if categorized by where the skirt is tied. One with the skirt tied above the chest and the other one is tied on the waist. I have done a video about the chest-high ruqun, qixiong ruqun. You can find it in my channel. And for today, we're going to talk about the waist-high ruqun, qiyao ruqun. We'll take a look at the history and how to wear it. Ruqun is one of the styles under the yichang category of hanfu. Yichang basically means top and skirt. Although traditional Chinese clothing varied greatly from each dynasty to the next, the few basic styles remained unchanged for the most part. During the Tang Dynasty, other than the iconic qixiong ruqun, a variety of qiyao ruqun styles were also in favor. In this famous Chinese painting, Night Revels of Han Xizai, all the musician ladies were wearing qiyao ruqun with bold and vibrant colors. Unlike qixiong ruqun, you have to wear a camisole with the qiyao version since the skirt ties on the waist. This is a single-layer top garment called ru or shan. It has parallel collars and ties together. The sleeves are narrow in shape. It is very common to find round decorative patterns on fabrics during the Tang Dynasty. There is a middle seam on the back that represents a person's righteousness. Put the blouse on first and tie the knot. This is a one-piece, half-pleated skirt with the pleats only on top. The waistband is mint green paired with cream-color belts. It also has a signature Tang Dynasty pattern. One of them is a golden phoenix. To wear a traditional one-piece skirt, wrap it around the body, lift one end up from the inside, and fold it down along the waistline. Cross the belts on the back and tie them on the front. Then you're all set. My favorite part of this outfit is the bright contrasting colors. The hair accessories are inspired by the Tang Dynasty style. I love qiyao ruqun because it's one of the easiest styles to wear. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. I'll be making more videos on traditional Chinese culture, beauty, and fashion. See you next time.